Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. All have liked my videos and gave the comments. Thank you so much. Okay, today our topic is computer hardware components. Okay, first we will study in that what is a computer. Before going to the hardware, we will study what is the computer. Yes, computer is nothing but you all have seen it is an electronic machine. Yes, and it helps you to process the data. It is used to used to solve the many problems in banks and the schools and in hospitalized and all. Okay, and almost every field we are using, such as an educational also, and the wonderful machine computer has different parts which works together. Yes, and which works together. Let us study about the computer hardware now. Yes, what do you mean by computer hardware? A computer hardware is nothing but a computer is a part of an electronic machine also, and the hardware is the part of a computer which we can touch also and we can see also. That is called as a hardware. Okay. Now in that first outside parts like keyboard, mouse, and the rack case system means this one. The CPU box, which it is in rectangular shape. We are having the back panels also, and the front we are having the tray for that. When we click it, it comes outside, and then we can put the CD in that. So now the outside parts we also about we can touch also that. Then inside parts like a hardware, like a hard disk and the memory chip and all. Okay, etc. Next. Yes. Next is internal hardware and the external hardware. What do you mean by internal hardware and the external hardware? Yes, that is internal hardware means inside the CPU computer. Inside the CPU computer means what are the parts in inside the CPU. Yes, like a power supply, motherboard, CD and a CD drive, and cooling fan and processing and RAM, sound card and video card and the hard disk. Now external hardware. Now we will study about the external hardware. What do you mean by external hardware? Input device are used to enter the words, numbers, pictures and the other commands into the computer. Different types of a device to do the different types of keyboard, mouse and joystick, scanner, light pen, microphone, etc. are the some common input devices. Like in processing device, output device and storage devices. Yes, in internal hardware we will study now inside the CPU. What is there in the CPU? Here motherboard and CPU. CPU means central processing unit, and power supply unit, memory, and then we will study in the memory random access memory. Okay. Yes. Now what is first we are studying, that is motherboard. Yes, what do you mean by motherboard? Motherboard is nothing but the motherboard is a very important part of a computer. Without motherboard, the different parts cannot communicate with each others. The computer cannot function. Yes. Then we will study the CPU, central processing unit. That is, the CPU is the brain of the computer. It processes the data and produces the result. After all the functioning processing take place in the computer. Next we will study, that is power supply unit. Yes, without power supply unit we cannot start the computer. All the parts of a computer requires the electricity of order to operate. Yes, the part of a computer that provides this is an electricity is called as a power supply unit. Yes. Next we will study the memory. What do you mean by memory? Memory is a random access memory, means RAM. It is the part of a computer where the information is stored while in the beginning using the computer processor, processing operating systems. Yes. Keyboard. Now we will study about the keyboard and the types of keys. Okay. How many types of keys are there? There are the 4 types of keys. Yes, 4 types of keys there. Now in types of key, 4 types of there. Types of keyboard. First is we will study alphabet key, that is A to Z. Then we will study number keys, that is 0 to 9, and special keys and navigation keys. Now one by one we will study. Now first we will study the alphabet keys. There are the A to Z alphabet keys. You can see here A to Z. Okay, 3 lines are of alphabet keys. Okay, then next we will study about the number keys. They are the 0 to here, 0 to 9. Actually in some laptops the keyboard will be different. You can see here in this keyboard, you can see here the keys are here the alphabet keys are here, and 0 to 9 here the number keys are there, and you can see number keys this side, right side, totally right side, all number keys are there. This is the old laptop, and old computers you will be seeing the keyboard in this way. But nowadays in the modern computers, in the i3 and i7 and all in laptops, you can see the keyboards are different. Automatically you can see here the 3 lines of alphabets are there, then the first line is of number keys, then here function keys are there, and navigation keys are like this. You can see lot of difference is there. I will navigation keys up side, down, left, and the right keys are arrow keys. These are called as navigation keys. And the special keys, which are the special keys? They are the function keys, means like this. This one, control key, shift key, cap lock key, and the enter key, and shift key, and backspace key. These all are called as special keys. And the function keys are up. You can see the function keys up here. You can see like this. In this computer you can't see the properly this function keys. Here you can see F1, F2, F3, F4. These are the function keys. These are when we are using shortcut keys, that time we are using the all shortcut keys like this. Yes, next we will study the microphone and the scanner and the types of scanner. Yes, here you can see scanner, microphone, scanner, and the types of scanner, and the flat bed scanner, and the sheet bed scanner, and the handheld scanner. There are the 3 types of scanner. One by one we will study. Now first we will study about the microphone. A microphone is used to record or a voice. It is a small device. It is a small device, and it is attached with the computer. It is attached with the computer. Next, scanner. That is, it is an input device. Scanner is used to scan the photographs, documents, and the other text can be stored in them in the computer. There are the flatbed scanner, and the sheet bed scanner, and the handheld scanner. There are the 3 types of scanner. Here we study now touchpad. Touchpad means what? Nothing. When we are using in the laptop, that we are touching to the touchpad only. Here it is. You can see this is touchpad, where we are using like a mouse, finger. With a finger touch we can do the touchpad. This is called as a touchpad. When we are using it, we have to use our finger. Okay, this is called as touchpad. In this touch screen, what do you mean by touch screen? Name itself it is telling when we are touching. This is called as touch screen. So nowadays in the TV also, and in your handset. Handset means our mobiles. In our mobiles also you are able to see. This is called as a touch screen. Whenever we are touching like this, it will be operate. It will process. So means touch screen is a very important nowadays. It has become very fashion nowadays. Day to day we are using the touch screen. The touch screen TVs also came. Touch screen mobiles are there, and whenever we are going to the ATM also, there also we are using the touch screen only. The buttons when we are using directly, we are touching with the finger only. That is called as touch screen. Yes, mouse. See here, this is also input device. See, mouse is an input device. See, a pointing device. We can say it is a pointing device, because whenever we are doing the movement, the pointer is coming on the screen. So it is called as a pointing device. And the mouse is always having the 3 buttons, left side and the right side and the middle one. And this one button is for the scrolling purpose. When we will just round it, when we will scroll it like this, automatically our screen also will be moving like this. See, you can see here, when we do like this, it will go up and down in this way. Okay. Now next, we will study about the digital camera here. What do you mean by digital camera? The digital camera is the camera that takes the photographs. Okay, it takes the photographs, stores them in the computer. Okay, automatically it will stores them in the computer. When we take the photos, directly it will go in the computer only. That is called as a digital camera. Next we will study that is a barcode reader. Barcode reader is nothing but when you are going to the big malls and like Big Bazaar and all, there they will be catching it with it will be very easy to see the amount of the whatever we have taken, means food things, that price. It reads the identifies the price easily. When we will they will be catching like this, and when we will show to the price, it will say some sound will come there. So then it reads automatically. It reads the price of the items. Means this device can read the barcode. The barcode reader can read the printed product. A barcode reader reads is an electronic. It is an electronic device that it scans printed barcodes, and on product it can also read other label, and it identifies very easily. By this we can do calculation very easily. In the big malls and all, they are using it. So that you can see the picture here in this way. The picture will be in this way. Okay. Pen. Yes, light pen means what? Light pen always when we are using on the screen, when we are writing, okay, like this, in this way, like a smart board we are using, that is called as light pen. The light pen is another input device. It is an input device, okay, allows you to user to point to the displayed object on the screen. Light pen is used with the CRT monitors. Like CRT monitors means like touch screen it will be like a touch screen only. The CRT monitors are very heavy, and they are very heavy monitors. So directly we can draw on that. This is the light pen. Web camera. Okay. The web camera is nothing but it is a short name. We can know that webcam. We can give the short name webcam. Okay. It is captured video images front of it. It is mainly used to share the pictures and have a live chat with the relatives and the friends and all in internet. Yes, then it is also can used as a security device. Then next we will study the monitors. Yes, there are the two types of monitors. First, monitor means what? Monitor is nothing but it looks like a TV, means like computer. Desktop, when we are keeping it looks like a TV only. Yes, there are the two types of monitors. Yes, first one we will study, that is the CRT monitors. Cathode ray tube monitor means it is bigger. It is bigger in the size. You have seen the old television, very heavy. It was heavy means 2 person, 3 person we need to carry the big monitors, means in TV. In that way, the old computers, that is called as CRT computers, will be very heavy also, and it consumes more power also. So much power also it consumes, and it will be heavy also, and it takes more place to keep also. So which is better? I suggest that is the LCD is the best one, because LCD monitors are very lightweight and they won't consume the more power also. And one more thing, these monitors have the flat screen, and these monitors are compact, lightweight. Means lightweight means very less weight to carry. Anybody can carry. The children also can carry here and there. The this one LCD monitors. LCD monitors are very lightweight. Okay, but CRT monitors are very heavy. So nowadays everybody buys the LCD monitor only. No one will buy the CRT monitors. Printers. Okay. Now here the three types of printers are there. Commonly we are using in the outside, wherever you are going and removing the printer and all. There inkjet printer and laser printer are commonly, means we are using in the school also and in the outside also market. They are using the inkjet printer and the laser printer. But dot matrix printer is a different. Only the dots will come. That is used for the other purpose, not for school purpose and the bank purpose and all. They are not using. There are the three types of printers. Okay. Then here we can see the speaker. Next is speaker. In that speaker we are studying. Here you can see the speakers, how the speakers will be there. Okay, here. Now in that The speakers helps us to listening purpose. Yes, listening purpose, and the music and the sound from the computer. We can attach to the computers also, and when nowadays in Gujarat and all, they are using for the DJ and all, the speakers, speakers will be too much big. The receipt will be too much big. Next we are studying the CD and the DVD. What do you mean by CD and the DVD? Here you can see the CD, how the compact CDs will be there, round shape. Okay, they will be the round shape. We can put in the case. The case means rectangular shape CPU box will be there. In that also you can put in the laptop side. Nowadays we can put the CDs also. But nowadays at present we are not able to get in laptop now. In that kind of old laptops were there, we used to put the CDs. But nowadays we are not able to put the CDs. Only we have to use the pen drive and floppy and all. With the help of the CPU box we can use. But in laptop we are not able to use the CDs. Yes. Next, in that the CD is the compact disc. It is the round in a shape. It is an optical storage medical determining of an CD. It is 12 centimeter. It is 12 centimeter. It can store the lot of an information in the like songs, music, and the videos and the other information. CD can also store up to 700 MB data. Yes. In that way, the pen drive. You can see the pen drive here. It is a so small device. You can see here. It is a so small device, pen drive. Here, pen drive is the small device which stores the information than CD. Then CD more information, like not CD is less, but pen drive is more. How it is? It can be used for storing music, videos and the other information. Storage capacity of a pen drive is 256 GB. Information written on the pen drive can be erased many times. So why we say that erased? Means many times we can copy and many times we can many times we can delete it. By this means we can erase that one. That's why we say that the pen drive is a very small device, but it is very good device. So always we are carrying the pen drives and we are going there. We can keep more information in the pen drive. 256 GB we can load it. Yes, we can store it. Yes. By this I end this one, the hardware components of the computer hardware components chapter.